Peace FM 104.3. Ultimate target.
Ultimate qualitative research and generalize it or find the same farmer or population in Yana.
Absolutely.
A simple thing, Anambwa.
Yes, simple. Simple. Obetimia an idea about the population in Yamabesiako. But to give us prediction as to any Sadia and Nuntino, a bear say idiot. No, yako too far in terms of interpretation. And over the quantitative side, no more than media, which may estimate two errors, trends and patterns. Ghana has also no service, send a quiet fast to your brain science. And issues now air running. Osha, your research, I know graph bio, all the key issues needing our free SHS and so corruption, perception, so banking sector cleanup. The so galamsey, nominally free healthcare. Never benefit kind no send your mom for the margin the weights at so. And I actually have to check weights na the evolution they are building as car model. Unya bibisa na the building as car model we say the na unya with tuning constant and no the statistics for na we appreciate it. Tuning constant, they do fair no Jacobian term. They do fair no tune near day and the unya no so correct. Then you can predict. Now, near Mamiya, yet the enemy GPA Park as your prediction for 2004. Edit to toll near actual 2004 for Nya Emma, neck bang. Okay, yan from 2018, so and also neck bang. We understand net bang for 2004, bang for 2008, or bang for 2012, dear, any system, dear. Let us say, who did not so a project here, and also you are likely to be correct. And Namia Domia, no say MPP Senadi Kakano, everything could name with 51.4. Now, and this is what Osumi with 47.1. Now, I'm saying largely for a prediction to be so close to the actual say in the entirety. And I'm saying, in every boy of Wabaso, name of the foot when they say, I'm on your phone, research very serious because sabi nipa ya never to aba na me adomwa ebi be kwaje bidie but dodo na betena se abeto 2024 ato aba enti yenti nipa nase a menu a enti asenya aba pe obo zanya ne nipa ne betena zo ho na ebu kwacheche bebre sa na enti aseni ho na hwehwe mu papa bia nkoso na Osuma, near Obekane, that no so cobano Becane or Detra. Now you are disconnected with the grassroots. Into the future, we have a research serious. Say your opinion pool, say your model predictions, or say then you have a serious science and data, no one idea number. You say free gravity by so because we're in the chomba for me. Would you need pollution? Let's believe in science and data now. I thought we are spiritual and manema say a friend be numerology. You who die, you will die, will die, mammy, will die, and you will be busy. I mean, these things don't guide our existence here on earth.
I see.
Yes.
Doc, I feel young specifics. NPP in Kuna, a shri woman, na shebedum. They say, we be saying, hang parliament, I don't know. 137. So far 137 136 yam fana sa Senate West Nyambai and independent bako eka ho edi asemwa from 169
yes
na fe dey all pre 137 ho no
oji da metu sere
nwanwa kakra wa na mo de anya mo nwanwa
frankly okay the report now in fact me kita wa hanka me show specific chart no one of the figures I think figure 1.7 ho baby na ye ka sani ayanso yiku fa skirt and blouse ho na skirt and blouse no se sia o mampani be anase amampani fo na April no onu mumu hwan na ebenya so mfaso dudu na stress o mampani adodanko akufa do na ebenya so mfaso skirt and blouse in so se president kunya so mfaso pe na tese ne parliamentarian na ekosofa no. And that aspect of the winner strike came. And I may say ebusuafo betie dia anka some of the factors are ye listed you know omutu one na mo anka beboa but I don't know yeah release your research 10 days to elections in the bia now the strategies were far advanced on our BBC but it was so clear say your research and you no na kwakosi December 7th dia and ye na Omampeni was going to benefit from the skirt and blouse. Na nisun san so ne say na na ma se bejafo obesofa because skirt and blouse no ye to ma Omampeni better say ya ntoma na be de chire no key issues are na a play pa ye bebre na say dey hu ni man or mo parliamentarians ma se bejafo no over the past 4 years bebre na omu it just say who should there be so okay okay ade ba ko bi afo say ade aya largely obi bebre na hu ena omu so o ma anya ntumu say o ma fo no de bebre na anya ntumu say free SHS efa MP ho bebre na anya ntumu say planting for food and jobs efa MP ho na bebre na dwe o say we na do dan kwa kufu adasem o kan ye ena otu ho na mo na wo so MP no so wo die ne pa no anything. And for me, Enono was so striking to me. Mr. in the next parliament, said the more ya more the MPs no more ya there. Oma or Haimremo, a yamu no be say MPA to an amori. Na the same thing na Otus and Amon. A bebwa said the Zongo for a way constituency, a bebwa abia infantifua, a way constituency. I remember who said a bit half wanting the no one have the Kai is so not MPs meeting me back and near the butcher, a tray and the air cost of my bedroom, the role they are playing. Justice George Buedi, Satan lawyer Buedi, America East, or Yebi, or Penny Joseph Wahim Edu, or no Subedi Adia, or no Yebi. Now, as a man, couldn't need movement of parliamentarians, now they are so busy. Too busy say the woman for Nankasa Kranwa and more bedu you know. I mean no business ne come so. In Jama omu adepotia MP no to man no oye. Ebia no aye bidu but I mean woman ko so mu hu ye. There so free SHS no so what you say na last bank na dey buy. Na ne to so bi so ye senya wa na wo boss one kan ye ka say. Party for no so mo be ko democracy dia. Madaloma Mumma or Dodua Membuno, any Juma or party in Subi. Now, say party chairman, Rebecca said, Massa party now, Membo. About on the Sonsua, a friend of Moyadom. One quarter party, Nibo, Hana, a dom friend of Brennerson, not dominant Yametra by a house. A domino and the one Yajina, a house. In German democracy, no, any Juma or a parties, may come in this near people now. So, because there will be one bank or sorry, of independent name in the Mekobi. And now, the same name with the we are penning for, and my Manchester party will on the door. And the bill of them will be associated on another party. And any party you can manage it. And you will call. A hard dream, about to year 2 years, a hard dream, especially parliamentary, a hard dream. In fact, Kameyaya said, and yet, Omampeni at the Danko Kufad na in terms of the policies there Omanfo no adop na ekoka ono ni MPs ni kwa any the other things and ekutia no men good for Galamsey for then ekutia no and anka enkoye ebinum so Omanfo do ye pass no be bua managina anka performance you MPs ye ne anka be show Omampeni ni na dia composition.
Doc, Mamen ka de bi nchira na ebi also tia ebe ya onwa kakra. Where conversation between two party people. MPP for me no. Or say the DCE and Pen boys. Pen no men person make say his or her. The DCE Pen boys are the cause of Pen's defeat. Then the other one, they didn't try at all. Then the other one, No PC in Pen has done tough campaign like Pen. At the end, the DCE was able to give the number of travelers of Pen opponent 100 Ghana cedi each as their transportation for voting against Payne's own party. Dog, so what you say?
Matthias, pa.
Say DC, you know. Ne opponent no. You say how to cry no. The opponent no call radio so no call kasa. Ochia. Ochia. DC now MPP DC no.
Odi ka cha ne tam fans and wa be for
DC now no MPP ni no. Say opponent no call no call kasa. No odi ka cha DC na bonabaso. Oria no achia MPP party chairman no ho na bonabaso. Ansa no call no ani party.
Oh, na in fact, enye mama na in fact eni na mi share bebre. The disconnection between DCE4 and the parliamentary candidates and also MPP media. In fact, a DMPP Hamo, a Diom Hamo. In fact, Nanado Bebia, or Mampeni, sorry, Nanado, or Mampeni, Nanado, the Bia Bessa of Bayapa, on shut down overhauling, on shut down, especially DCE, when we pana a farmer, the Omwa, young sentiments, the party, and Yanis out. Oye party penia umum na bwa doma no umfa ho nim sa na akoyo ya bibia kwehye ahyewa ya se wa party kra no fide na metiti bebre unfortunately me ntimi mbobo din die but we will be bria me abiti bia na sanya wo ke pepe yes party for movie ye kwa na do din kunimu a o man penda na do din kunimu a party for bi ese musi abonti akwadwuma ni kwa party chairman Dima
stop o mo se mo nko
ai na ya o se baby out na wa media ene yen kan
o se mo nko mete pa
David zo and you know I don't know benin for na besremo so say motimi fa party bi so ebe gidin ebe yeye ebe nyamo ho ebe ye powerful a ebe abụghị nchima n'nsonso ọhụ onye si ya wuye si no party ni na wo se no zo NDC ni na wo se na MPP ni na wo se no wo se no so a wo se na ko ọhụ na o de trainer gentrima basa na fe owu bebre party ho nya akọ no de ele Ghana fo enye paper ya no ma ya traba na enye pie papa yi bibia chikwa bi party a ho ya akọ no a sebe motimo ho ase ne party a mumu achecha DC number bi MP so number bi na party chairman ne manfo so number bi a mumu achecha sebe me ka se mpanifo ne ka se eteni train kan
antiza bonte so for me fan good
but we die na yaw afie eteni train kan ema etre ba ko ne ko free bontin so ni se bra na be fako so baby ayedu no na it's unfortunate abanti na ye kan. But anyway, we are penny, but we just had no bear, that is fine. That is fine.
I see. Doc, may I found Concon Henry na minim set, ya be a coin idea. Because I bought home come copy me set, the woman Ibihunu, ya sign what one come to so yet was a pa.
Good, Nana, Medosina, make no match ya. Penimboa, a boy, Yama, Kumasi Technical University, Center for Social Science Research. But Nanka ya said that you take interest in it, but then you acquire na for science and data, any more to be able to do a settle discussion because even with academic people on the ground, it didn't send it to be 40.4. We said then we needed to speak to some of these things and see whether yes we be in India. And you know, the company for a boy Chidomina Basso. And that's all the Kumasia. What was for harvest I ever show me.
Padauruma mebadodo meba. That's pa. Dr. Smart Sapon, or a senior lecturer or a senior research fellow, Kumasi Technical University.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.